Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to delete plugin on WordPress website. The first thing you want to do is scroll down on the menu option on the left hand column and you are going to tap on plugins. Then you are going to see installed plugins. You are going to tap on that. After doing that, you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to see a list of all the plugins that you currently have on your WordPress website. And all I want you to do is simply scroll down to the plugin that you would like to delete. Then beside the plugin, you will see either the option deactivate or delete. And from here, you can tap on deactivate. As you can see right there, it has been deactivated, and you can scroll down and then you will see the ones that are inactive. You'll tap on inactive right here. Then you'll scroll down a bit and you'll simply tap on delete, and that's it. That's how to delete a plugin on WordPress website or how to remove a plugin on WordPress website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.